My school, one of the best place in my life. The place for study, the place for thinking, made the friendship, and many more. At the time, as a student, sometimes I felt happy or sad. However, I was very grateful. I always got new knowledge every month, every week, and even every day. Thanks to my teachers, thanks to my friends, everyone. Above all, God, thank you for everything. Six months before our graduations, our classroom made a unique electronic circuit. At the time, I saw the circuit turn on the small lamp if the room got dark, and turn off it back if the room got lights. My teacher called the circuit with the lie detector. I really want to try this time. I wish I can rebuild the circuit.
Okay, welcome back guys. That was an amazing life experience from Amelia when she was at school a long time ago. And perhaps her story represents your life experience too, guys, when you were at school. I'm sure that was an amazing story too. Congratulations. Okay, the case comes from Amelia. She is really want to rebuild. Yes, rebuild a lie detector. It was a unique circuit from her past. Okay, to build a lie detector, we only need a few components. These are an LDR. This LDR is the heart of the lie detector. A flashlight bulb, a 1.5 kilo ohms, and 47 kilo ohms resistor, a small power, and a medium power transistor. Okay, now we are ready to build the lie detector.